Hello friends, myself Kushal Jangra, and today I am here to show you the Department of Histology of St. Petersburg State University of Veterinary Medicine, Russia. So here is the gate of Histology Department. This is also our Zoology Department. So friends, as you can see, our international department used to be on the left side of this department, but now it's currently shifted to the right side of this department. Let's go towards the tour. So here there is a painting made by our students, and as we move up the stairs, on the right side we have a department of histology, ecology and biology. Let's enter this and see what's inside. So this department was found in 1925, and these are some important figures of our university that have done many things for the university. And here we can see the information on board. Here the students get the information about their curriculums, or maybe about their holidays, or to join the groups where they have to join for the information about their daily classes schedules. And as we move here, we have some animals that are killed either by shooting them or other ways, and they are preserved after their death. And we have some samples of the different creatures, maybe the sea creatures, and we have the models of hearts. These are all made by students. And these are some of the insects that are killed and pinned here. And on these boards we have the teachers, the assistant teachers and the professors that teaches in this department. So this is our assistant professor. His name is Daniel, and he works in this zoology and histology department. He is with us today, and he is going to show us the laboratory and the theory classes auditorium. So let's enter to the laboratory. You can see here the students are working with the professors, and I'm really sorry when I noticed the video didn't have any voice, so I have to voice over this. And as you can see, the students are doing all the experiments by themselves, and the teacher is guiding them. I also try to speak with this professor, and she told me like what they are doing. So yes, the thing that they are doing is very hard, but the teacher is guiding that at every point. And as you can see, there are not many students in one batch, because here the teacher have to focus on each and every student, so the group is generally small. And as you can see, there are some machines. These are two thermostats here, and this is refrigerator to preserve the specimens. And here are the histological slides which we have to observe under the microscopes. And this is a very good microscope and very complex. And this is the washing area, as you have to wash hand before and after using the apparatus, and after your experiments. And these are some of the liquids used to like observe the histological slides under the microscope. And this is one more microscopes. These are like different type of microscopes used for like different magnifications and different purposes. This is one thermostat, and this is one machine for like disinfection. And this is also a thermostat. I was like very interactive with the Daniel. He was showing me what are the machines. So after this, I tried to talk with the professor, and she told me what's the topic. And these are the students. Most of them know me, and yeah, she was very calm and polite towards me, and she explained me very well. And the students are very happy to work with her. She is also an assistant professor. So basically these guys are also like some point of time they were also the student of the same university, but after that they chose to work with our university, and they are doing their internship and they are guiding the students. You can see there are some more preservatives and the specimens, and these are the caps. Without caps you cannot work in the laboratory. And in these jars some more specimens are kept, and this is distilled water, and this machine is like water heater. This used to heat the water. I asked Daniel what the name of machine in English, but he was trying to search it online and on translator. So basically he was explaining me that this is used to heat up the water. And there are some more liquids and preservatives. And after this we left the laboratory, and the students were doing their work. So now Daniel is taking us to the theory auditorium where the student have their classes and lectures. So let's see what's inside. Uchyobna Auditoria, that's study room. And here, as you can see, the student sits here and have their lecture here. And at every desk there is a microscope, and yes, here also they observe the slides, but that's just during the lectures. But the practical happens in the theory class, in the laboratory. And this is a board where they get their presentation, and the teacher explains them their every topic. Basically we have the lectures in presentation format, where the teacher prepares the presentation and delivers it during the class. And these are some drawers where there are more and more histological slides, and there are some models prepared by the students. And Daniel is explaining me, yes, these are made all by the students, and that they submitted it as their projects. And yeah, after that I asked Daniel like how do you like the Indian students and what do you think about them. And he is now explaining us about the information board that is on the wall. Now he is saying that on this information board they get the information of their curriculums, that is basically tests. So during their semester the students have 4 to 5 curriculums of each subjects, and there are questions related to that curriculums that teacher sends for the student. From these questions the students have to prepare. And yes, there are some more information about there is a diploma form attached to this, like what a diploma look likes. It's basically a certificate of something, and some important thoughts of the famous peoples and all this. And now Daniel is explaining how much he likes Indian students. So he was saying that the Indian students are just like the Russian students, but it is sometimes Indian students are more interesting as they have more experience as compared to Russian students working with the microscope. So it's basically fun to work with the Indian students on the microscope. And but yeah, Indian students are very talkative. He was saying he sometimes have to he sometimes just have problem to understand the Indian students, because the Indian students sometimes speak in their native language, and it's hard for him to understand as they talk in Hindi or so. So basically it was all about the video, and I gave you all the information about the histology department. As you can see, every bench is renovated, every auditorium is renovated, and everything is fine. So yeah. So I'm back again. I'm done with making my video, and this was the histology department tour. Hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, and if you have any questions, if you are interested in taking admissions here in Petersburg, so you are heartily welcome, and every question of you will be answered very quickly and as fast as possible. I will be here guiding you throughout your studies. Bye bye.